Hello, good morning and welcome. We're back in Redwood Park, but today I have a special guest, Andy Lawrence, and today he's in charge of photography, so the rest of the movie is Andy on the hike. Is that right?
Yeah. Why the interest in hiking?
Well, it's a good question, Andy. I've got my life back in one way because I used to do this in the army. I loved being out on the field, tabbing, hiking, yongping, there's many names for it, but this just gets you back into nature and it just helps you with your fitness, your conditioning. Since I've been here in California, I've dropped 45 pounds and I continue to do that, and this helps me.
UK Rob L.
UK Rob L. And then over here with that little masters is Los Trompas, which is a good climb, and there's a really cool rock wall with a hole in it where you can see through to the other side. And then when you come round, you've got, this is the Redwood Valley in front of us, and then over is Castro Valley, and then the Pleasanton Hills, Dublin Hills. So every time there's a bench, Andy, the tradition is everything stops for tea and sandwiches. Everybody gets something. Something for everyone. Cheers. It's a trademark. We got to say cheers. So we've dropped down off the hill, nice little descent. We're now coming down into the valley where the redwoods are, so the rest of the hike is on the valley floor, down in and amongst all these beautiful redwoods.
You look so small compared to these big ass trees.
The redwood forests are diminished now compared to what they used to be. They were demolished at the turn of the century as people arrived in San Francisco for the gold rush, and the wood is strong and solid and tall and was taken to build San Francisco. And so not many places are left. Muir Woods up on the Pacific coast, and here at the Redwood Park in Oakland.